welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am also fine. In this video, I am going to explain 6th class Maths chapter 6. Chapter 5 measures of lines and angles. Okay, in this chapter, just I am going to explain one important concept, some definitions, which are what are intersecting lines, what are perpendicular lines, what are parallel lines. These I am going to explain a small concept in this chapter. Okay, just I am writing heading. First one is intersecting lines. Second one is perpendicular lines. Third one is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay, this short name of parallel is like this. Okay, that we can know it now. Just I am going to define all these. Okay, now see. First one is intersecting lines. What is the definition of intersecting lines? What are the examples of intersecting lines? Okay, if two lines having one common point, then the two lines are called intersecting lines. One more way also we can define intersecting lines. If two lines intersect at one point, then that lines are called intersecting lines. In both ways we can define. Okay, now see, first one is intersecting lines now. Intersecting lines. Okay, if two lines have common point, okay, one definition is if two lines have common point, then they are called, then that lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, what are the examples of intersecting lines? Just I am by drawing one diagram. See, suppose L and M are two lines. These two lines intersecting at point P, or these two lines having common point P. Okay, then these two are intersecting lines. Okay, so L and M are intersecting lines. Okay, generally daily life example. Here just you can take it spoons. Suppose these are considered as a lines. Okay, if these two lines like this means, see, this L and M, suppose let us take the name of the lines L and M, having only one common point. They are intersecting at one point. See, like this. Okay, so these two we can call intersecting lines whenever these two lines like this, these two lines having one common point, or these two lines intersecting at one point, then these lines are intersecting lines. Okay, I hope you understand this one concept. Meeting point, if two lines, one more definition also I will write it. If two lines intersect, at one point, then that lines are called intersecting lines. intersecting lines. Okay. If two lines intersect at one point, then they are called intersecting lines. If two lines having common point, then that lines are called intersecting lines. In this way or in this way we can define intersecting lines. Okay. Once take the screenshot or write in your notebook. Next I am going to explain second perpendicular lines. About the perpendicular lines. See perpendicular lines, second one. Perpendicular lines. Okay. If two lines intersect each other at right angle. If two lines intersect each other at right angle, then that lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay. If two lines intersect each other at right angle, this is very important, at right angle. Right angle means 90. Intersect each other at right angle, then the two lines are called, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Okay. Then what are the examples? What are the example for that? Suppose I am taking PQ lines. Okay. Suppose line Q here like this, line P like this. See, this is line Q, line P, this is line Q. This P and Q lines intersecting each other at right angle 90 degrees. At right angle 90 degrees. Okay. Then here P and Q are perpendicular lines. Then P and Q are perpendicular lines. Why they are perpendicular? Why? Because these two are intersecting at right angle. At a right angle. Okay. Well, then what are the daily life examples of perpendicular lines? Very simple. If we will get the fever means we will go to the hospital, right? That hospital, what you will observe there, okay, just simply you can observe if name of the hospital means beside that name of the hospital, you will see one symbol, plus symbol, right, with red color. Yes or no? So that will one example of perpendicular lines. Like this will be symbol now. In hospital if you go means, see, with red color, with red in color, right? Plus symbol. Here, why we are taking plus symbol? Example of the perpendicular lines. Why? Because this line and this line intersecting at right angle 90 degrees. Right angle plus symbol. Okay. So if you observe one more example, if you here see some, if you take any lines, suppose alphabet, if you take means letter T, alphabet letter T. See this line and this line intersecting at right angle, intersecting at right angle 90 degrees. This side also 90 degrees. Okay, so we can call these two as perpendicular lines. Okay, next, if you observe one figure like this will be now, when we will use constructions. Okay, that we will use, this is one of the tool. When we are constructing building, this they will use. Okay, here this is also one example of perpendicular lines. Okay, just very simple. If two lines intersect each other at right angle, then they are called perpendicular lines. These are the daily life examples. This is the diagram how it will be perpendicular lines. Okay. Next, third one. Once take the screenshot. Next, I am going to explain third one. Those are parallel lines. What is the definition of parallel lines? Okay. Third one. Parallel lines. Okay. If two lines does not have any common point in a plane, okay, those are parallel lines. If two lines does not intersect at even any point, okay, if the two lines don't have any common point, okay, if two lines not having any common point, then that lines are called parallel lines. Okay, if two lines not having common point, that lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines. See, if the common point is there means intersecting lines. If there is no common point, those are parallel lines. Very simple. Just a small difference. If common point is there, intersecting lines. If common point not there, those are parallel lines. How it will be the figure? Parallel lines. See, suppose I am taking L and M lines. These are parallel lines. Why? These two lines not having any common point. Not having any common point. Okay, so we can call these are parallel lines. Then what are the examples, daily life examples of parallel lines? Just if you observe means track, railway track. Track observe means like this. It will go this is and this. Okay, these two it will go. So there is no common point. That's what those are parallel lines, and this is the daily life example of parallel lines. Okay, very easy only, no? These definitions. What are the intersecting lines? What are the perpendicular lines? What are parallel lines? What are the daily life examples? Okay, I hope you understand. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Thank you. And one before going to end, just I want to say thanks a lot. Those who are keeping comments for my videos, and they are mainly I got for singing. For singing, I got appreciation from the ears. I am very happy for that. If you will keep like that means maybe in future some more songs maybe I will try to sing for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.